Okay, I'm on the tractor, but we have it test fitted in. Now it's time to take it out, to sand it down, put a couple beads of silicone in. But look at the size of that baby. This is not OSHA approved. I'm putting my phone away. For a while now, the Beast, well, it's been missing a few things and it wasn't the prettiest to drive. Now you can see behind this thing right here, well, it's basically just an advertisement on one side and a piece of aluminum on the other. What should be there is what I think may be the largest window on an RV camper. 8 feet by basically 3 feet tall, and it comes today. I am so excited because this truck has been sitting here with no window on this side, and on the other side, not as bad, but just a big open gaping hole right there. I'm gonna go offload 500 pounds of windows. Now this is a pretty exciting day. I've been waiting on these things for months. Okay. The perks of living in rural areas, tractors. Okay, so we finally got it unloaded. It was too wide for the back of the truck, so we had to slant it down in a really weird angle. But it's here, and it's massive, and it seems like it's correct. Okay, so just opened up the crate in order to take a look at the windows. Gotta say, I'm not the happiest. The glass and everything looks fine, but so for the large window, it all had internal blinds. Awesome, fantastic. Now I don't have to worry about it being bright on the inside. I thought I ordered the same thing for the secondary window, but no internal blinds. And I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to take this together, but the nail fin should be flipped around so it's flush with the truck. Now it's gonna be mounting weird. But the biggest thing, what I'm kind of scratching my head at, is when I placed the order, they accidentally made the invoice for the wrong size. I didn't catch it. So I said, okay, we'll put extensions on each side in order to make the big window fit instead of remaking it. It's very expensive. Didn't want that. That's what it came down to. But it's basically just this tubing and there's huge gaps. So now I'm trying to figure out how is this going to become watertight? Because as of now, I mean, it's going to let cold air in, it's going to let water in, which when you have a window, it isn't entirely what you want. So I got to figure this out. Oh well. I already see it now, people asking, well, why don't you just contact the company, have they fix it? Or those are too big, that's going to be ridiculous. And well, to the second point, you might be right. However, I have thought about having windows like this inside a van for years. Might be a dumb choice, might be absolutely brilliant. We will see in a little bit. Now to the first question that people are probably going to ask is, why don't you just contact the company and have them fix it? So when I was originally looking at windows, something of this size, I was getting quotes for 7 grand, 9 grand, 12 grand just for that one window. And well, that's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard for a window. So I did what some people did, and I went onto Alibaba. I found a window company in China. They were 3 grand for both windows, the large one and a smaller one, shipped to my house. It's like, okay, even if things go wrong, I'm still about 9 grand cheaper than everyone else, because that 7 grand at the cheapest was just for one window, no shipping. So, like anything, it might take a little bit more work, but we'll figure it out. Progress is being made on the window again. So the extensions that were added on were way too long, so nothing would sit flush. So let's see, there we go. So ground it all down, put caps on both sides, so now the water isn't getting in. Did that on all 4 sides. Now having to make the window trim actually look pretty good. After this, drill a hole inside the caps that welded in, and fill it with expanding foam. That way there's going to be some insulation on the inside, because that would be a huge thermal break. Just a perfect place for hot air and cold air to get into the truck, and we don't want that. That's OSHA approved. There we go. It's open, the sign is out. Hi, Cuevas. I will, yeah. Oh, do I have them? No, well, I need them? Yeah. Okay, time to cut out these pillars.
What do you say?
Okay, it's all hands on deck because the window's massive. Because of the extensions, we needed to take the window out again and now drill new holes inside the truck, matching the ones that are right there. And then we'll do it on both sides, put this back in, and then hopefully it'll be fitted. And then we can do the top and bottom, put the windows in. Door in right now. And then 1 screw, 2 screw. Okay, that frame is in. Almost. Got a couple more screws, but that'll be another day. So what do you think about the window?
I think it's awesome.
Cuevas, what about you?
It's amazing.
Especially when it's done. Go the window and it is holding. Let's close it. Oh. Okay. Okay, first one's in. Reach back, grab the handle. It opens up like that. Close it. Not going anywhere. Okay, so we got 2 in. Now this slides just like that. And goes back over here. Boom. 1 more. But we're missing a screw, so we gotta find it down there.
I see it.
He has all of them. Okay. These are heavy, but we're getting in the last screws. Oh. There's 2. Yep. Waka, waka, waka.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Damn tight.
Draw me just a couple inches. Okay. Oh yeah, this goes this way. There's no door handle yet. Okay. But just hold it in place or... Boom shakalaka. Okay, that was extremely heavy. Last thing to do is just put the door handle in here. But this is awesome. Internal blinds. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's finish it up. Get this door handle in, and then should be rocking and rolling. Okay, so here it is. It was pitch black when I started working this morning, but everything is all caulked in. I have to do the outside It's going to be raining in about 10 hours. So got some fast drying caulk. Going to make sure that everything's all sealed up. That way I'll know if this leaks all the next couple days. So it turned out exactly what I wanted. I'm really happy with the way it works. It slides really, really nice. Come over here. Boom. It's closed. Over here, it doesn't move at all. Right here, there's a little bit of play. So I'm anticipating there to be some sound while I'm driving. But, I mean, this is everything that I wanted in the window and in the inside. So I'm happy with how it turned out. What do you guys think?